Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. You're signed into iCloud, Apple ID matches, and biometric authentication is active so transfers authorize smoothly. Open Wallet and tap your Apple Cash card to start. This ensures you're in the right place to send money. Next, pick the recipient, use their phone number, email, or the contacts entry to avoid typos. Once done, tap Pay and enter the amount. Choose a message if you want context before moving to the next step. Now focus on the transaction details. Enter the dollar amount and glance at the preview to verify the number and recipient. You must choose whether to use your Apple Cash balance or a linked debit card. Apple Cash is instant and free. Debit may incur bank processing rules. Make sure the payment source is correct, then authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. This confirms identity and prevents accidental sends. Once authenticated, tap Send to initiate the transfer and watch for the confirmation. Finish by tapping Send and wait for the confirmation. Your recipient receives a message and the wallet shows the transaction status. If it doesn't complete, make sure you have a stable network connection, haven't exceeded Apple Cash limits, and that any linked card is valid and verified. If problems persist, cancel or retry only after checking those items. For disputes or refunds, record the transaction ID and contact Apple support. They can trace the transfer and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.